Hi friends! Hello everyone! Good afternoon! It's June 5 today, 2021, and we're here in the parking area. We're going to our hotel and I will let you see over there what's our room look like. So I will do my quick tour. And it's Inday Pooper here, and welcome back to my vlog. Welcome, welcome. So where is the elevator? And then elevator. Where is the elevator? Somebody go get her.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and
I think this is the entrance. I closed it. May siya ang name sa mga hotel friends. So we're going inside. I don't know. I think here. Where are we going, Bushing? Wala may kabalo, friends, kung asa may. Okay. Nagbakla rami gikan sa mga parkingan kay mahal ang parking pondere ang per day. So it's expensive. So my husband is looking for cheaper parking fee. So friends, nani ang room tour, quick room tour. So ang room number is 2501 and we're here in Grand Hyatt already. So nanami sa among room and I will get I will show it to you. Gabasa naman ko I will. So first is moto siya ang entrance, the door, and then kanina siya naami koan kanang sani kitchen area, char dining something. So nice kayo siya. So muna siya pwede may maka-chill diri kalingkod-lingkod. Then the can put our things here. Then asilay kuan for sale $5, mahal kayo. Water. And then nasilay coffee. So kani coffee maker to brew your coffee there. Then nasilay this is our living room. Living room yun. Oh, that's the globalist over there. My globalist husband. And then, diri na ta sa, uy, duha ka TV, mga friends. Then, diri, you can see the, ciudad. So, mura siya sa Makati in Manila, Philippines. So, apamanta mo i-tour. Here, oh, this is our bedroom. So, nice kayo ang mga, saan siya painting in the wall. Mura gud siya Makati. Mura siya sa Philippines. Here. Nami sa 25th floor, mga friends. So, we're staying, uy, what happened to this one? Ay, nara. Next is, what is this here, Bushing? Can't open one. Here? I can't open it. And then, duha ang TV sa living room and then sa bedroom. Ay, bedroom, living room. Yeah, living room and sa bedroom. Then, napoy, country, marag office type nga, you can do your work here. And you can chill here sa chair. That one. Then this is the closet. So we have two bathrobes, Bathrobes, good. Bathrobes. Bathrobes. What? How can you say it?
Robes.
Bathrobes.
Bathrobe.
Bathrobe. Oh, bathrobe. Sorry. I stand corrected. Bathrobe. And then, sila duha ka sleep. Mapalong di siya kung i-close. Kurimaw ko. Oh, mapalong siya. So, ignorante lang mga friends. So, here comes our bathroom. So, this is our bathroom. And then, ay body lotion, Listerine, toothpaste, soap. So, napoy ko andari, So, dili siya katong off, three. Off, and on. So, this is the bowl. Bowl, good. Then, dari ang liguanan. Nami mga body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Okay. I think that's it. Then, mga towels, of course. Then, I think, yeah, they do have weighing scale. Para maka-weigh me. Yeah! You can weigh here.
You can weigh your
You
food.
tambok.
You can weigh food.
Really?
Yeah, you weigh your body and then you gunit the food.
And then minus? Minus na yun. And then what else? So, sa paaha pa mo i-tour mga friends. Huh?
There's one here.
What?
How about how to put this one down?
You have to, I think, pull it and then...
Really, oy, remote control.
Really?
How about asang remote?
No. I don't know. I don't have any idea of this high-tech room. Hi, friends! I'm back! So, tonight, so gabi naman karon, I will kanang tour you here sa Grand Hyatt Hotel, which is one of the kanang mga amenities here. So later, you will be with me and I will bring you with me to the amenities here in Grand Hyatt, here in Denver. So, itour ta mo kung unsa ilang mga amenities dere. And hope you will like it, friends. And kanang later mag-workout man, so ang outfit is pang-workout. And then since ako naman isa mag-tour sa inyo ha, so just bear with me, bear with my English kay murag I'm still practicing. Yes, because practice makes perfect. Yeah. See you there. Oh, may pa-surprise pa ang hotel sa ako And then, kaya para magsugod ako og tour sa inyo ha, friends. So, see you in a bit. Ano na ako sa 4th floor, friends. Muna siya ang ilang pool, but it's closed because it's 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. So, do you see? Put here. So, diri ko sa ilang gym na karon, friends. So, muna siya ang isa sa amenities here. Here is the gym. So, it's 24 hours open. And then, ako naman isa diri. So, itour ta mo. So, daghan po, dako po dilahang gym. Fitness center. So, daghan silag mga equipments. So, later, together with my husband, mag-workout mi diri. Hopefully, walay tawo. So, nara. Have the different sizes of the balls. Mga bula. So far, it's nice. Worth it lang. Tamo ni siya. So, this me. So, ready na ko mag-workout mga friends later. But I have to tour pa sa lahi. I-tour pa tabo sa lahi. Napay another one. So, ikat na nako kay mo nilang gym here. So, muna siya. Tada! Friends, sorry kayo, dili kami mag-tour sa track and field tonight kay it's closed already. So tomorrow, before sunrise, they will open it. So I will try my best to wake up early to show you the track and field. The running track has one of the amenities here in Grand Hyatt. Congratulations to me, nayabo ang wine. Ay, sumagin nyo sa amin. Ay, ganyan lang bukan. Ganyan lang bukan to eh.
Mapilit ako sing. Wala, tubig.
Epic fail, friends. Ayaw niya ako sa iyo. Epic fail. Okay, let's toast for our marriage, for our health, for our love, and faith to each other, for our loyalty, and for passing my exam, and for you globally, and for everything that you did to me. Thank you so much, my love. And let's have a toast. Again. Okay. That. Hi friends, good morning. It's our day 2 today here in Grand Hyatt Denver Hotel. So today, this morning is, as I promised last night, I will tour you there in the running track. So I'm going there. Ito na siya, mga friends. So, ako karon madto na po ko sa track. So, running track. Today is a good day and I'm ready to go. So, nagpasalamat lang gid ko karon, friends, no, kay naka-vlog jud ko binaborak. For you, friends, para makakuan ninyo ang muna stayhan, share lang nako. And then kanang in this hotel kanang we have a complimentary breakfast which is $30 per day. So two nights when we here sa Grand Hyatt Denver. So amo ang gisulit ang $30. Makabusog na po baya ang ilahang. Amo to siya kay para dili na mi gasto sa ang pagkaon. Kay later it's Wina and Frankie's wedding, and then I have to prepare for it before 12. Kay we'll go to church mga 12 or 12 p.m. May 12 noon. So see you guys later. Thank you, friends. So later pakita mo sa running track mga tunog ko nito. I will run. Magdadala na mga friends. friends man ako. I will go back to the room to prepare. It's a good run. Ay, kalami sa gibati na ko. Kadagan jud ko pinaburak. So see you later.